3D kinematics of movement during locomotion are being increasingly used, but the complexity of most systems limits your use in preclinical research. What we're doing in this work is providing a detailed and simple method of collecting 3D data during quadrupedal locomotion in adult rats. The described system provides an in-depth qualitative and quantitative data analysis without the need for complex algorithms.
My favorite part of the system is its versatility of use. We have been able to use it for locomotion as well as reaching and grasping function. Here, I will demonstrate its use for treadmill walking. Mount 6 cameras on the wall, 2 meters away from the treadmill using finely adjustable geared heads. Slightly angle down below the horizon for maximum coverage of markers. Equip each camera with a ring light for the visualization of retroreflective markers. Define the desired markers for the experiment. Use markers for both the forelimbs and the hind limbs to assess bilateral quadrupedal locomotion. Here we use 22 markers. However, this can be adjusted according to one's experimental design. Calibrate the motion capture system using the Wong system, which consists of the L-frame and the wand. Place the L-frame orthogonally on the treadmill, with the long end of the L-frame pointing towards the direction that the rat will be walking in. Open the motion capture software. Select Record to capture the calibration video. Move the wand calibration frame throughout the treadmill area in space so as to cover all areas that the rat will be walking in. Record a minimum of 1 minute of footage to ensure adequate